Hi guys, especially again. So today we'll be looking at how you can make your audio sound like it was recorded in the studio, right? It doesn't matter if it's a voiceover, if it's a voice note, however the audio was generated, you make it sound like this was actually done in the studio, right? And we're going to be using an artificial intelligence tool. Thanks to AI, I mean, a lot of things are now becoming a lot easier, right? So, without much ado, let's get cracking. So, the name of the software here is this guy here, right? But let's just start from the beginning. So, I just put podcast.adobe.com, I hit enter, and yes, it's unveiling. So, what we're interested here, so of course, this tool can do a lot of things, right? But what we are interested here is this enhanced speech. So, if I hit enhanced speech, yes, so before I do my own audio, right, so there is a sample audio that is here just to let you know. So this is in this sample audio it will play an ordinary audio and it will now play the edited audio, so you hear the difference. Thankfully my headset is connected to my system, so it can detect it. So guys, just listen while I play it. So I'm playing the ordinary one first.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio, yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone, as if I recorded this in a professional studio.
Fair enough. Now I'll be playing it. I'll be playing the edited version, the studio version.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio, yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone, as if I recorded this in a professional studio.
Studio.
I'm in.
Great. So, I mean, that's the sample that they have for us here. But basically, let's try our own, just in case they're bothering us. If you get what I'm trying to do. So, I don't have any audio that I want to upload. What I want to do is just to use a basic audio recorder. So, if you come here and type voice recorder, of course, every Windows has this by default. So, let's just record something quickly. What can I say? Mm, don't say anything. Um, okay, I go by the name PHE I'm the second MI, and now you know why. Cause I'm a stomach, I sit back and wonder when the angels calling my number under. You guys should please promote my career. Oh. Hey God. Hey. So let me just name this failed rap career. Yes. So renamed, and I want to upload this. So where's the location? Okay, so location is my document, right? So I won't be able to upload this directly because this is an MA4 audio file. This is a very rare audio file, so I'll just have to convert this to an MP3, right, before I can upload. I don't know if that makes sense, right? So if I try to drag this now, it will not pick, right? It's an MA4. So this only picks is it WAV and MP3. So if I so thankfully yes, I opened the converter here, MA4 to MP3. I'm just trying to make this as fast as possible so I don't waste you guys time. Nowadays people have low attention span. So if I come here documents, I named it fields rap career. I just come here and convert. This should be fast. This is just some seconds. Okay, I go by the name PHE. Okay, so I've downloaded it. So I have it in an MP4 format. So all I just need to do is to come to my AI here and let's upload it. So if I come here on a downloaded folder, of course, rap career, you can see it's detecting it now, and I it's enhancing, right? So while it's enhancing, let's play it again so you guys can hear the difference. If you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is it again. I'm playing it again. Then um okay, I go by the name PHE I'm the second MI, and now you know why. Cause I'm a stomach, I sit back and wonder when the angels calling my number on. MI, you have 24 hours to respond. You definitely have 24 hours to respond. I mean, okay, so this is going definitely won't take up to 10 minutes, but let's just wait. I'm not sure if, oh, okay, so cool. It's here. Now let's download it. Um, yes, I just come to showing folder. Okay, so let me play this. So we're playing both of them with MP3. So this is the edited version.
And um, okay, I go by the name PHE I'm the second MI, and now you know why. Cause I'm a stomach. Sit back and wonder when the angels calling my number under. You get
So guys, when you appreciate this is when you've tried this yourself, right? So what it does is it filters, basically filters the every background noise, then it sort of amplifies it. It gives it like um a bass quality audio sound, right? So there's nothing much I want to say, really, basically. So you just see this podcast.abdo.com. It's an AI tool. We actually have a lot to do, but I mean, this is one of the open source, free and legal one that we have. Yes, it's important I mention legal and open source because of YouTube. I don't want their issues. So that's it basically, guys. So thank you um till we meet again. You know, subscribe, like, the basics, please. Nobody has ever gotten a debit alert from subscribing. Cheers.